All right, so this is just how to utilize this 360-degree rating. First thing first is to ensure that you have your users configured on the settings. So all our users are currently employees on the system. So this is how the application looks like. So once you click on the 360-degree ratings icon, you can come in here under configuration, then set up your templates. So this is what our template looks like. Should in case you need to modify this template, you can use edit or actually use create. So you provide the description of this particular template, the type, the period, and then you set up the sections. So these are the leadership sections or leadership competency sections. So all has been added for you. So you can also come in here, ratees. So these are the people that is actually going to be rated by employees. So all these ratees, for instance, we have Paul, and then Engineer Praveen. So these are the ones we are going to use for this demonstration. So once you open them, you can actually see those that are linked to them. So the essence of this is for the people linked to them to actually be able to rate them. So here, I'm going to when once it's been published, after the whole thing, sorry, you need to publish this, and then once it's been published, all these ratees are going to see their records under these self ratings. So when you click on these self ratings, this is all the people that are required to be rated. So here, if you open one of these records, you can decide to log in as Paul Okudili, and then be able to perform your own self ratings. So under here, you can be able to perform your own self ratings. So what you need to do is to click on this under self ratings, select these options that are available. All right, so each and every one of them must have a rating option. For instance, something like this. So you can actually select your own ratings. So this is for this particular person doing self rating for him or herself. All right, so once she's done, you have to save this. So you can also do all the same thing that was done previously on all these leadership competencies. So once this is done, you have to submit. The person that's the employee will have to click on this button and then submit this. It now moves to the next person, which is going to wait for the review. So one good thing is that these are the appraisers. All these people that are listed here are going to also give their ratings to this particular person. So the system will generate appraisal ratings for each and everybody here, and then they will have to log into the system and then similarly rate these employees. So once they go into this particular appraisal setting ratings, they will come in here, select the person that they want to review, modify this, and then start giving their own rating similar to what I showed earlier on. So that is just